What's going on, guys? Mcfgotmillk. Welcome back to another video. Yes, there's no bike. Yes, there's no helmet. But there is one part of the helmet that is here, which is the GoPro. So, the point of this video is to go over some connectors that I got that I think are going to be absolutely amazing, because obviously to connect the GoPro to the helmet, you need connectors, you need like little sticky things that GoPro gives you, and they don't give you a lot, plus they are very expensive. So, I turned to Amazon and I was able to get this kit. It's a 65 in one-piece kit from Azobage. I'm sorry if I'm butchering their name wrong. I'm just bad at pronouncing names, but it's from Azobage. It's on Amazon, and you can get it for like 30 bucks, which I found amazing. So I said, why not? I'll get it, and I figured I'd do an unboxing, and we can test out the products. I honestly don't know what's really inside of it. I just know that there's 65 pieces of compatible GoPro 7 black, white, and you can also have GoPro 6 with compatible stuff. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing and let's see how everything goes out, because I really think this is going to be a very good product, because again, to connect my GoPro to my helmet as is. So here's the connector that I made for my helmet. So here's the original casing. This is the original GoPro, this is original GoPro, but as you can see here, this is not original GoPro. And again, it is as tough and it looks exactly the same. If I say for a turn it this way, it looks exactly the same. And yes, this is GoPro too. So I figured, like, hey, since I have a GoPro now, pretty expensive GoPro, because the GoPro 7s go for about $400, I said, hey, let's get some more connectors and pieces so we can do other things. So enough of my rambling, let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to show off is the casing of it. It's actually a really good durable case. It's hard protected on each side, and it just feels good and right. Everything fits in it. Again, it is 65 pieces. It all fits inside. So without further ado, let's get it open. So it comes with two zippers. Open one side, open the other. Is it upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. All right. Yeah, because the fat part. All right. So, oh wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right, let's see what we got. The first thing that catches my eye is the chest mount. Because GoPro, these are expensive from GoPro, and they actually give you a decent quality, yeah, they give you a decent quality chest mount. Comes with actually good grips, good bands or elastic. As you can tell, it's hard plastic. If you can see me bending it, it's not really bending. Adjustables. Alright, this could be coming useful when you're, like, again, riding a bike, or if you're just going, like, swimming, or if you're going into the woods. So, that will be coming useful. And then the next thing I see is, I think, the headband. Okay, cool. Yeah, it is the headband. Again, made of the same material. Hard as anything, durable. Another thing that I see in here that's really cool is that I actually want is another housing, and they actually have one and they give one to you. So we're going to open it up and see if the GoPro 7 actually fits, which, I mean, I believe it would, because I doubt anybody would actually make something and say that it's compatible and it actually isn't. But okay, look at that. It actually stays in pretty well and locks in just like the regular GoPro connector. It comes with the GoPro connector compatibility slide-in, so if you want to use GoPro products with this, it will connect. But this is something that I've always actually wanted, as another casing, because casings, they're kind of hard to get and they are expensive as well. So I'm actually kind of psyched about this. But right now I just see a ton of stuff that is going to be so useful, is the connectors. That's all I wanted. That's all I really wanted, is just connectors, because it is a pain in the butt to get, for example, a perfect, for my motorcycle setup, it is a pain to get it to stick and then get the exact right angle. That's why I had to buy a different brand than GoPro, because it was just, there's no way of me coming with the original connectors to mount on the helmet. And I wasn't going to be one of those people that have the GoPro on top of the helmet or on the side of the helmet. I wanted it directly where you can see what I see. Like I said, I just wanted connectors. That's what I really enjoy about this kit so far. And what I like about it is they're screws. They're not all these little adjusters. So it's an actual fit. So if you want to, just get a screwdriver and you can loosen it that way or tighten it that way. So thank God for these. Even more connectors, as you can tell. I absolutely love this so much. So another thing I found that I actually think I would use a lot is this, which is for when you're in the water. So what you do is you obviously get your GoPro, which is in the casing. You put it into the little locks. You put your screw through it, or it's right here, your adjustable, as we will do now. It's kind of hard to do it over the camera. So now when you're swimming, you have your GoPro on here, and if you were to accidentally drop it into the water, your GoPro is not going to sink. It's going to float. So this is something that I've actually wanted, and I know, for example, GoPros are expensive as anything, so I am also psyched to have this as well, because this is actually a good addition to any GoPro especially that you should get. And then it gives you a little tassel, so you can put it on something. I'm pretty sure it's for this, so you don't lose it, and you can put this around your wrist, so it doesn't get away from you. The next thing is what it comes with is a heck ton of sticky pads. Look at them, they're actually pretty sticky. Cool thing about this is that with the sticky pads, they come with the connectors themselves, so like the little platforms that you put them on and then they stick. So instead of it just being one part and then you have to adjust it once, you can literally rip off the one side, put the sticky part where you want it, and then say, maybe not, waste a sticky instead of wasting the entire thing and ruining one of these by not having a sticky on it. So you put the sticky there first, then try like, no, I don't like how that is. You rip that off, you take the old sticky off, and you put a new sticky on. With GoPro, you can't do that, so that's actually pretty cool. The next thing we have is, oh cool, okay. It's a connector clamp. You clamp it onto something, and you have the GoPro, and it's just another holder for it. I've actually never seen one of these before, and I think I'm actually going to be using this a lot as well. This is actually pretty cool, I'm not going to lie. And then we got, okay, this could be used for the car. A little suction cup mount. This will actually come in handy as well. Holy crap, I'm actually really enjoying this kit. Again, this was only for all 30 bucks, but again, look what comes with it. This is actually absolutely amazing. So again, you got the suction cup, put it on the window or wherever, you can stick it on the car, and it should just be another mount for another like cool shot or footage of what you want to do. And again, if you know GoPro, you know the connectors and even more connectors, so we don't really need to go through all this stuff because again, it just comes with a lot of connectors. More connectors. I'm not gonna lie, I do not know what this is. If you guys know what this is, let me know, because I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. More connectors, which is awesome, and a little surprise gift, which I guess I gotta figure out as well, so we'll do it in front of the camera. It looks like you can put something through here and get another sticky, and it's just another mount, so that's cool. It's also cool, you can also take this out so you can use it as a case normally, so you don't have to use it as a GoPro case or a camera connecting case if you really wanted to, so that's pretty cool. Alright, last but not least, we got this section up here, which is again pretty cool because it's got netting for a zipper. The first thing we're going to see here is looks like another body connector. Looks like a tourniquet, I'm not going to lie. I think it's probably, oh, it's a wrist. Oh. Okay, I can use this when I go shooting. This is actually pretty cool. Okay, so far this is my favorite thing, because again, when you go shooting, you just, like that. Okay, I actually enjoy this a lot. This is actually pretty amazing. Look at this. Holy crap. I think I'm in love already. Hey Matt! I'm actually pretty psyched about this. This is probably one of my favorite things so far about this. I know I've been saying that a lot already, but okay, I'm happy. No. Oh, I've been wanting one of these. It's literally like 3 times the length of my connector that I needed for the helmet. Oh, I needed one of these so bad, and I finally have one, thank God. Some more connectors, which is, you can never go wrong with a double connector, which is, yep, another double connector. You can see it there with some more connectors. I do not know what this is. It's all sealed away, so I'll figure out what this is and get back to you guys. I'm not gonna lie, do not know what this is either. I'm gonna have to do some research on this as well. And also it comes with a bag for all the connectors, so that's where I'm gonna put all my connectors, so. And the last 2 things that we have here, which is also pretty cool that I come with, is one of those adjusting mounts, so you put the GoPro right on and you can like selfie stick it. And again, like I said, you can make it extend, so you can make it pretty far away, or you can obviously retract it. And then you got a little mount, which I think I love these mounts because you can get any kind of any kind of like position you want because they bend and they stay that way. It's a mount, and you can literally, like if I want to put around an object, you just bend it to what it needs to do and it stays that way. These usually go for a lot of money. I've seen these, they're like 20 bucks alone, 30 bucks alone. But again, with after spending 30 bucks and getting this whole kit, I really think it's worth it. Alright, now comes the hard part, which is getting everything back together, but that's it. This is literally it. This is the kit. This is 65 pieces in one, and it is only for 30 bucks, and I really think that it's worth it because you get the stuff that you really want with GoPro, so you get the best shot that you can get just for 30 bucks. It is on Amazon by Azobage. Again, if I'm butchering the name, I am absolutely sorry. The link for this will be in the description. Trust me, just go directly down in the description, the link and everything. You can also get a 50 in one piece, a 55 in one piece, or a 65 in one piece. I would choose a 65 in one piece because, again, it's more bang for your buck, and it's worth it. Like, I'm genuinely like psyched about all this and can't wait to start using it. Thanks, Azobage. I will probably be buying more of your stuff if everything turns out good. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I'm not really a good reviewer of things. As you can tell, I'm very awkward, but when I'm on my bike, I'm more like freewheeling and talk. But like I said, I just want to let you guys know, like, this is something that you guys should definitely invest in because, again, instead of buying over $300 worth of GoPro stuff, you can get the same stuff, just a different name. Just because it doesn't say GoPro on it doesn't mean that it's a bad brand, because again, like, this stuff is good quality. Like, it's not breaking. I'm actually, if you can look at my veins on my wrist, I'm squeezing it as hard as I can and bending it. It's not gonna break. But alright, I'll let you guys get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Again, link is in the description for all this stuff. Make sure you follow my Twitter and Instagram, which is Mcfgotmillk. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.